Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade mint. First, gather your ingredients: 6 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and a small bunch of fresh mint. You'll also need 4 cups of cold water and plenty of ice. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple recipe is perfect for a refreshing drink on a warm day. Next, let's prepare the lemon juice. Carefully squeeze all 6 lemons, aiming for about 1 1/2 cups of fresh juice. Strain out any seeds or pulp if you prefer a smoother drink. Pour the fresh lemon juice into a large pitcher. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar directly into the juice and stir thoroughly until the sugar fully dissolves. This creates a concentrated lemon base. Now for the refreshing mint infusion. Take about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and gently muddle them in the bottom of your pitcher. This releases their aromatic oils without making them bitter. Pour in 4 cups of cold water, then stir everything together. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed. The mint will slowly infuse, adding a wonderful, cool dimension to your lemonade. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious homemade mint lemonade. Fill your favorite glasses with plenty of ice cubes. Pour the lemonade over the ice, making sure to get some of those lovely mint leaves in each glass. Garnish with a fresh lemon slice and a sprig of mint for an extra touch of elegance. This easy method ensures a perfect, refreshing drink every time. For more great content and other deals, check the description below. Enjoy your cool, invigorating beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.